Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5, measures of lines and angles. In that previous we discussed the types of angles. Okay, now complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles means the sum of the two angles whose measure is 90 degrees. The sum of the angles whose measure is 90 degrees, then the angles are called complementary angles. You see here, for example, 30 degrees plus 60 degrees. Clearly 30 degrees and 60 degrees. These two angles నేను యాడ్ చేస్తున్నా 30 degrees plus 60 degrees. It is equals to what? 90 degrees. Okay. So the sum of the two angles whose measure is 90 degrees means then the two angles are called complementary angles. Here we can say 30 degrees is the complement of 60 degrees. Okay, is the complement of 60 degrees, and we can say 60 degrees is the complement of 30 degrees. Okay, clearly you can say these two angles are the complement to each other. Complement to each other. So we can say like this: angle 30 degrees angle 60 degrees. The sum of these two angles, for example, I'm taking like this: angle AOB, angle PRS. Okay, clearly we can say angle PRS plus angle AOB is equals to, that is 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is equals to 90 degrees. Okay na students? Next, if you know one angle, how to find a complement. For example, if x is given angle, okay, if x degrees is given angle, then how to find its complement angle? So that is complement of x degrees is 90 minus x degrees. What Anna? 90 minus x degrees. For example, a given angle is, I'm taking here 50 degrees. What is the given angle? The given angle is 50 degrees. What is its complement? Complement is 90 minus x degrees, means here x degrees is equals to 50, means it's a complement 90 minus x degrees. So that is 90 minus 50 degrees, that is equals to what? 40 degrees. Clearly 50 plus 40, that is equals to 90. These two angles are complement to each other. Yes. Okay. Next, supplementary angles. The sum of the two angles, is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, the sum of the measure of Okay, the sum of the measures of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Then the angles are called supplementary angles. For example, you see the given angle x degrees is equals to 70 degrees. Then what is its supplement angle? The supplement of x degrees is, that is 180 minus x degrees. That is equals to 180 minus x degrees means that is 70 degrees. So that is equals to 110 degrees. Clearly 70 degrees and 110 degrees. These two angles, their sum is equal to 180. So then we call these two angles are the supplementary angles. Their sum is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, these two angles are said to be supplement to each other. Now just observe the figure carefully here. This is one of the obtuse angle 130 degrees, one of the acute angle 50 degrees. Okay, so this is L R S. What is the angle, Nana? This is L R S. Next angle what, Nana? That is T R S. Okay, angle LRS, angle TRS. See clearly, angle LRS plus angle TRS is equals to 180 degrees because of the sum of these two angles, that is 130 degrees plus 50 degrees is equals to 180. Two angles are said to be supplementary. The sum of whose measure is 180 degrees. You can say 50 degrees is the supplement angle of 130 degrees and 130 degrees is the supplement angle of 50 degrees. Okay na students? Yes. Okay students, next one, exercise 5.2. First question, write true or false. The given statement is an angle smaller than right angle is acute angle. We know acute angle means what, Nana? Acute angle means what? Acute angle means it measures above 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. So according to the given statement, an angle smaller than the right angle is acute angle. 90 degrees కంటే తక్కువ ఉండే యాంగిల్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఏంటన్నా 90 degrees కంటే తక్కువ ఉండే యాంగిల్ ఏంటి, దట్ ఈస్ acute angle. Yes, the statement is true. Okay, for example 50 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, yes, 45 degrees. These all angles are smaller than 90. Right angle ante it measures exactly 90 degrees kada. These all angles are smaller than the right angle. That's why the statement is true statement. Now second question in this. A right angle measures 180 degrees. Second question what, Nana? A right angle measures 180 degrees. The statement is true or false? Absolutely, the statement is false statement, because of a right angle measures exactly, that is 90 degrees, but here given a right angle measures 180 degrees. So that's why this is the false statement. Okay, next third one is a straight angle measures 90 degrees. Third one, a straight angle angle measures 90 degrees. This is the false statement or true statement?
Yes.
It is absolutely
Wrong.
false statement because of a straight angle measures exactly 180 degrees. Okay. Next, fourth one, the measure greater than 180 is a reflex angle. The measure greater than 180 degrees is a reflex angle. Okay, the measure greater than 180 degrees is a reflex angle అంటున్నాడు. Yes, it's true because of reflex angle means it measures above 180 degrees and below 360 degrees. Is it clear? అంటే 180 degrees కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి, 180 degrees కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వాట్ అన్న రిఫ్లెక్స్ యాంగిల్. అలా అని చెప్పేసి 360 degrees అనేది రిఫ్లెక్స్ యాంగిల్ కాదు, ఇట్స్ ఎ కంప్లీట్ యాంగిల్. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ రిఫ్లెక్స్ యాంగిల్ మీన్స్ in between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. So clearly, for example, 270 degrees, 250 degrees, 215 degrees, these all are what na reflex angles because of more than 180, okay, and less than 360.
Okay.
Next, the fifth statement is a complete angle measures 360 degrees. A complete angle is measures complete angle measures 360 degrees. This is the true statement or false statement? Yes, absolutely, this is the true statement because of the measure of the complete angle is 360 degrees. For example, OA is a ray, it is rotates about its end point, it's a complete. So like this, here measures what nana? 360 degrees. Is it clear, students? Thank you.